Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to exit your League of Legends game. So at first, all you have to do is just launch your game through the right client. And as you launch your game, it takes a while to load. So all you have to do is just wait until it loads. And guys, as it loads, you can see at the right top corner for that cross sign. So all you have to do is just click on this option right here and click on the option exit. But let me show you guys again. So as the game opens again, look at your right top corner for that cross sign. As you see it, just click it and click in the option exit right here. And as you do that, your game has been exit. So guys, that's how exit the League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.